Hello guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'll be telling you about this bug that is causing battery drain in Mi bands, especially Mi band 3, 4 and 5. So in this video I will tell you a trick through which you can learn how to delete this bug. So what you have to do is that you have to let the device rest and let it drain itself. So even after your device turns off, after it gets low battery and it finally turns off and the battery gets zero, you need to let it stay turned off. Do not charge it, just let it stay powered off for a solid 1 or 2 days, so that all of the capacitance inside the band gets discharged. So like this you get the bug removed at the hardware level. Now moving on to the software part, there's something that you need to do so that your device is able to hold charge much more longer. So for that you need to open the Mi Band app, and you need to open the settings. Now here first you are going to check the software version that you're using. So my band software version is this. You can check for updates. If there are updates available, you can go for update. Now you need to change something. You need to change this setting and make it a normal, and then you need to change the heart rate setting, put it to 10 minutes. Now you need to put the night mode to turn on after sunset. So that's it guys, I hope you understand what I did, and I hope you enjoyed the video.